With BrandBay, you have access to every brand asset you manage with one simple click. So no matter where you're working online, whether you're a digital agency creating a brand kit for a client, a business owner designing your next promotion, or a web designer looking to host all your clients' media from a single place, BrandBay can give you the organization and instant accessibility that your workflow is looking for. Now you can store, organize, and manage every logo, color, font, link, file, image, and video, and even host your brand media for every brand you're working with in one easily searchable and organized location. If you're a business owner or agency managing multiple brands, then you already know that managing, tracking down, sharing, and even hosting all your brand assets can be difficult, stressful, a pain to manage, and a hindrance to your workflow, especially when you're working with a team, or you have multiple teams and multiple clients. All that while managing up to 5, 20, 100, or even more brands. Now, of course, there are other digital asset management platforms out there, but many come with a big price tag and they limit you on the amount of brands that you can access at a time. And they don't let you have instant access, which makes you log out and back in for various accounts for each brand or client that you're managing. That's where BrandBay comes in. BrandBay is a multi-brand management platform that was designed to help business and agency owners like you so you can store, organize, edit, download, copy, and even host your assets instantly, all for a significantly lower price. BrandBay also allows you to create collections, which are basically folders of specific assets such as your general brand kit or your most recent promotions. Secure sensitive information between your team and clients by switching your assets to private, or upload your files publicly to leverage BrandBay's expansive storage system as a hosting service for your raw images, videos, and other files. And remember, it's all one click away. Simply open the browser extension right in the middle of your workflow, select your brand, search and find the asset you're looking for, copy, download, and keep working. It's that easy, not only for you, but for all your clients and team members that you invite into BrandBay as well. Each user, client, and team member will all have their own permission sets that you can customize so they can leverage exactly what they need to without interfering with your ideal structure. So if you're an agency, business owner, or anyone looking to bring order and speed to your asset management workflow, then begin leveraging the instant access brand management system today and create and host your first brand for free with BrandBay.